Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vlog. Today, I want to do a review of a Arctic Air Chill 2.0. It's got a night light. It's got fan and cooling abilities. It's like a portable air conditioner. It's a portable air conditioner, fan, vaporizer, all wrapped up in one. So here it is. Here are the controls right here. You can see the light. You can change the colors. 2 air conditioning settings. And this other button here, I don't know. This is the fan speed. This other thing right here. Okay? What you do is turn it on with this button. That's high. Medium. Low. And off. And this right here is focus right. This turns off the air conditioning part of it. This adds air conditioning to it. Makes it cooler. That's the booster right there. And that's off. Thanks for watching, everybody. Arctic Air Arctic Air Chill Out 2.0. Arctic Air Chill 2.0. You can get it at Target or Amazon. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.